Hey guys, so we're going to be documenting a little bit of what we're doing to the 330 Ci. We are going to be replacing, what do you call that, Miles?
Steering coupler.
Steering coupler. This is the new piece. I'm going to be changing it because that one that's already on there is about 150 something thousand miles. So real quickly, just to kind of summarize, you just remove that plate, that skid plate, to reveal. Let me get underneath here. Moss, can I get a flashlight? So that is the old steering coupler that we're going to be replacing. So just a matter of two E10 bolts, and we should be able to go. And for me to be able to access the bolt that's here, he's probably going to end up having to turn the steering wheel so that I can get to it. And that's it. And just kind of wanted to document this little piece of work and get it on record. Okay guys, so we got it done. I didn't go over on how to do it just because there's a lot of other videos that's covering it. You just gotta use a lot of leverage to try and get that piece out. That was one of the tough things that I had to go through, and the simple fact that I really had 0 hours of sleep and have nothing in my stomach. I'm feeling a little dizzy, so don't do that. I think the next time I'm gonna make it a point to put it up on the lift and not get lazy about moving the cars out, because that probably would have helped me from having to strain underneath the car, because it was a little painful to try and get that piece out. But anyway, she's all done. We're going to lower it, and hopefully that eliminated some of the play that my son has been experiencing with this car. We still need to work on the tie rod, and that'll be next. So anyway, stay tuned for more 330 content. So just real quickly, this rubber piece will have a tendency to kind of either get soft or loosen, if that's the right word, over time. And what it does, it creates that play. The newer one, I guess, is somewhat stiffer and a lot less softer. So the steering has less of a play. So anyway, just kind of wanted to let you guys see what it looks like. One other thing. Try not to wear a white shirt when you're working on cars.